Hi guys, welcome back sa ating channel. Welcome dito sa Numista Coin Finder. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang Philippines 1975 ang bagong lipunan series. The image shows as a Philippine 5 peso coin from the Ambagong Lipunan series, specifically the 1975 version. The series of coin was introduced by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP between 1975 and 1982. The obverse side of the coin, which is shown in the image, bears the inscription Ambagong Lipunan, the year of minting 1975, and a profile of Ferdinand Marcos. The design featuring Marcos was approved by him during his presidency, which coincided with the circulation of these coins. The reverse side of this coin features the denomination, the inscription, Republika ng Pilipinas, and the official coat of arms of the Philippines. So guys, kung meron pong ganitong pera o barya na 5 peso coin, magkano pa ang halaga nito o magkano ba ang bili ng mga numista sa mga ganitong barya? Ito ay nagdidepende sa kalidad ng inyong barya. Kung visible pa lahat ng mga details sa barya. Yan ito. Uncirculated. Composition: the 5 peso coin from the series is made of nickel, so magnetic po siya guys. Ito ba magnet natin? So magnetic siya, hindi kagaya ng mga silver, hindi siya hindi siya magnetic. So collectibility, while demonetized, this coin are of interesting to collectors, and their value in the domestic market can vary depending on factors like condition and rarity, specific minting variation. So guys, kung meron ganito, binibili ko po ito sa halagang 500 pesos each. Depende sa kalidad ng kanyang barya. So hanggang dito na lang guys. So next kita-kits sa next video. So huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa bawat lalabas nating video, sa mga susunod na tatampok natin. So please hit the notification bell, hit subscribe, and please like this video. Thank you.